Welcome, adventure seekers, to an experience of a lifetime. Today, we embark on a thrilling helicopter ride over the iconic Victoria Falls, one of the 7 natural wonders of the world. Strap in and get ready for an aerial adventure like no other. The helicopter allows us to explore the falls from a unique perspective, revealing its massive curtain of cascading water, often shrouded in mist. The sheer power and force of the falls are awe-inspiring, creating an unforgettable experience for all who dare to take flight. As we ascend into the sky, you'll witness a breathtaking panorama of nature's raw power and beauty. The Victoria Falls, located on the Zambezi River at the border between Zambia and Zimbabwe, is a spectacle that must be seen from the air to truly appreciate its grandeur. Our skilled pilot ensures a safe and smooth ride as we navigate around the falls, providing you with unparalleled views of the gorges, rainbows, and lush landscapes that surround this natural wonder. Look down there. That's the famous Devil's Pool, a natural rock pool perched on the edge of the falls. It's a heart-pounding sight, and only accessible during the dry season when water levels are lower. As we soar along the Zambezi River, you'll also witness the diverse wildlife that calls this region home. From elephants bathing on the riverbanks to hippos lazily sunbathing, the helicopter ride provides a unique vantage point to appreciate the richness of the Zambezi ecosystem. Our helicopter adventure over Victoria Falls has come to an end, leaving us with memories that will last a lifetime. From the thundering waters to the serene landscapes, this journey showcases the true essence of the natural world. Thank you for joining us on this exhilarating helicopter ride. Whether you're an avid adventurer or a nature enthusiast, experiencing Victoria Falls from the air is an absolute must. Until next time, happy travels. Thanks for watching. For more travel adventures and get notification, don't forget to subscribe at YouTube, https://youtube.com/@geokrichong833 to stay in the loop. Until next time, keep exploring, keep dreaming, and I'll catch you in the next video.